I'm Rebecca Walker from Cambiati Wellness, and this is Cindy Klinger, who is a registered dietitian at Cambiati Wellness. And we are here doing Fun Food Friday. You're going to want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel because every week we are going to be doing things like trying weird and interesting food and testing out gadgets to see how they work compared to other things. So today what we are going to do is we are going to test what's called head cheese. But I want you to stay tuned to this channel because coming up we are also going to be testing this vacuum sealed blender compared to a Vitamix because we're going to see if it actually works how it's advertised. Right now we are going to talk about head cheese. Head cheese is a meat product, and we're going to test it out, and then Cindy's going to talk a little bit about some of the benefits of it. So right here we have saved some. So cheers, Cindy. Cheers. Here we go.
Thanks for being
And we're going to let you know what we think.
Not bad.
I feel like I want to cover up the taste.
A little bit.
But it's not
On the edge.
not crazy. So what's head cheese?
So head cheese is made of a blend from a cow's head. So it basically blends up all the goodness, which helps prevent food waste. So eating nose to snout is a big trend in the food industry now. There's some restaurants that are completely focused on food waste and eating nose to snout is what they call it. And what's great about that is it helps balance out amino acids. So mainly methionine and glycine, 2 amino acids. And eating more of the organ meats versus just the muscle meats, which we usually focus on in this country, helps reduce inflammation in the body via various pathways. So we can always talk to you more about that when you come in next.
Yep. So thank you so much for joining us for this Fun Food Friday, and make sure that you like and comment on what you would like us to try next because we're always open to suggestions. Thanks so much from the Cambiati Wellness Kitchen.